November 2021. We arrived in El Salvador and was promptly greeted by Guillermo and a very comfortable van. When we got there, everybody was waiting for us. Everyone had masks on, and we did the elbow bump to shake our hands. We were greeted by Mario, other dignitaries like the mayor and the director of the school. Our projects for the week consisted of making benches and tables. We were able to make 3 tables and 4 benches. All the men were able to participate and learned many new skills. One of the tools that we provided this year, not to everyone, but to the group, was a power hand planer. We might want to include that in the offering next time. It proved to be a very valuable tool. At the graduation ceremony, there were many people that talked about the appreciation that they had for the teachers. For the first time, we brought back 12 carpenters from the 2019 class. They learned how to sharpen new tools. They learned how to make dovetail joints and a number of router tips that Bill Armentrout was able to share with them. This is the class. And also for the first time, Sherwin-Williams came in and provided training. We met with the representatives and they brought in their tools, their spray guns, samples, stains, and finishes, and they demonstrated how to use all of that to the men. This was to the first class, the 2021 class. This went on while we were having the master class for the 12 that graduated in 2019. All in all, it was a very successful week. We had a good turnout, good weather. We had the advanced class. We also had the finishing class, the women's class, many firsts in this week. And we were able to present Guillermo with a special award. Thank you, Guillermo.